Hey everyone! Did you know that Amazon Web Services or AWS dominates the cloud computing market with a staggering 32% market share? Well, with a wide array of services, AWS has become the go to platform for individuals and businesses looking to leverage the power of the cloud. But what exactly are AWS services? And why are they so crucial in today's digital landscape? Well, to answer these questions, here we are with a new video on AWS services. So let's embark on an exciting journey to explore the captivating world of AWS and uncover its numerous benefits. But before moving ahead, do subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to never miss an update from Simplilearn. So, if you want to learn more about cloud computing platforms, cloud computing services, and its various other interesting in depth concepts, then our Caltech Cloud Computing Bootcamp will be the right choice for you. This Cloud Computing Bootcamp will help you become an expert in Azure and AWS. This in depth cloud computing online bootcamp course lets you master key architectural principles and develop the skills needed to become a cloud expert. It will help you become an expert in designing, planning, and scaling cloud implementations. Our cloud computing course helps you master the core skill sets required to design and deploy dynamically scalable and reliable applications on Microsoft Azure and AWS. So, do check out the course link mentioned in the description. Now, let's start with the video. Well, the first thing that we are going to discuss is what is AWS. Now, imagine a virtual powerhouse that provides on demand computing resources, storage, and other tools, all accessible over the internet. That's precisely what AWS offers. Amazon Web Services is a comprehensive cloud computing platform that enables individuals and organizations to access a wide range of scalable, flexible, and cost effective solutions to meet their diverse needs. Now, the second question that comes into my mind is what is the need of AWS services? Well, in today's fast paced digital world, businesses are increasingly relying on the cloud for their operations. AWS services address the growing demand for scalable infrastructure, data storage, and advanced tools without the burden of managing physical hardware. Whether you're a startup, a medium sized business, or an enterprise, AWS provides the backbone to innovate, scale, and transform. Now, AWS services span a vast landscape catering to various domains, including computing power, storage, databases, networking, artificial intelligence, and machine learning. But let's take a closer look at some key AWS services that are revolutionizing the way we build and deploy applications. So, the first one that we are going to come across is Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud, which is also known as Amazon EC2. Now, Amazon EC2 offers resizable compute capacity in the cloud, allowing users to scale resources up or down based on their requirements. It provides virtual servers known as instances, giving users full control over their computing environment. Now, EC2 instances support a wide range of operating systems and applications, making it easy to deploy and manage your workloads. Second is Amazon S3, known as Amazon Simple Storage Service. Amazon S3 is a highly scalable and secure object storage service. It offers durable storage for data of any size, accessible from anywhere in the world. Now, S3 is designed to provide high availability and low latency, making it ideal for storing and retrieving vast amounts of data, such as images, videos, backups, and log files. Additionally, S3 integrates seamlessly with other AWS services, enabling data driven applications and analytics. Third is Amazon RDS, Relational Database Service. Now, Amazon RDS simplifies the management of relational databases by automating common tasks such as backups, software patching, and scaling. It supports popular database engines like MySQL, PostgreSQL, Oracle, and SQL Server. RDS provides a reliable, scalable, and cost effective solution for running your databases in the cloud, freeing you from the administrative burdens associated with traditional database management. Now, next comes AWS Lambda. Now, AWS Lambda is a serverless computing service that allows you to run your code without provisioning or managing servers. It executes functions in response to events such as changes to data in an S3 bucket or a new message in a queue. With Lambda, you pay only for the compute time consumed by your functions, making it highly cost effective for running small event driven applications or for offloading compute tasks from traditional servers. And following that, we have Amazon DynamoDB. Now, Amazon DynamoDB is a fully managed NoSQL database service that provides fast and predictable performance at any scale. It offers seamless scalability, automatic data replication across multiple regions, and built in security features. Now, DynamoDB is ideal for applications that require low latency, high throughput access to structured data, such as e commerce platforms, gaming applications, and real time analytics. So, now that we have covered about AWS services, let's look into its features. Now, AWS services come packed with a plethora of powerful features designed to enhance performance, security, and reliability. So, let's explore some notable features. First is elastic scalability. Now, AWS services allow you to easily scale resources up or down to match demand, ensuring optimal performance and cost efficiency. This elasticity ensures that your applications can handle fluctuating workloads seamlessly. Second is global infrastructure. Now, AWS operates in multiple regions worldwide, enabling low latency access to services and redundancy for high availability. Now, this global footprint allows you to deploy your applications closer to your end users, reducing latency and improving the user experience. Then comes security and compliance. Now, AWS adheres to stringent security practices and certifications, protecting your data and ensuring compliance with industry regulations. AWS provides robust security features such as encryption, identity access management, network firewalls, and monitoring tools to help you secure your applications and data. Then comes automation and management tools. Now, AWS provides a range of tools to simplify infrastructure management, deployment, monitoring, and troubleshooting. Services like AWS Cloud Formation, AWS Elastic Beanstalk, and AWS CloudWatch enable you to automate and streamline your operations, saving time and effort. So now let's move on to the advantages of AWS services. Now, embracing AWS services offers numerous advantages for individuals and organizations alike. First is cost effectiveness. Now, AWS follows a pay as you go pricing model, allowing you to pay only for the resources you consume. This eliminates the need for large upfront investments and provide cost savings through resource optimization. Now, AWS's pricing flexibility enables you to align cost with your business needs and scale your infrastructure as you grow. Second is scalability and flexibility. AWS services provide unmatched scalability, enabling you to easily accommodate growing workloads and sudden bursts in demand. Whether you need to handle a seasonal surge in traffic or rapidly scale your business, AWS can dynamically adjust resources to meet your requirements. The flexible nature of AWS services allows you to experiment, innovate, and deploy new applications quickly, giving you a competitive edge. Third is reliability and high availability. Now, AWS global infrastructure is designed for high availability, ensuring that your applications and data remain accessible and resilient even in the face of unexpected events or disasters. AWS services are built with redundancy and fault tolerance in mind, reducing the risk of downtime and ensuring continuous operation for your critical systems. And the last one is access to cutting edge technology. Well, with AWS, you can tap into the latest advancements in artificial intelligence, machine learning, and data analytics. AWS services like Amazon SageMaker, Amazon Recognition, and Amazon Redshift empower you to unlock valuable insights, make data driven decisions, and build intelligent applications that leverage the power of AI and ML. So now we have reached the conclusion. AWS services have revolutionized the way businesses operate, enabling them to harness the limitless power of the cloud. With a wide range of services, robust features, and unparalleled scalability, AWS offers an unmatched ecosystem for innovation, growth, and transformation. Here's a success story of one of our learners to boost your confidence. Do watch this video.
Hey, I am Salahuddin Quadra. and I am currently living in Algeria. I wanted to experience what it's like to live in. I also realized that to get a new job, I needed to have a professional certification in cloud computing. So last year, I started the postgraduate program in cloud computing in association with Caltech from Simplilearn. That with this course, I had the choice to study while I continued, and that is how I got this new job offer with 60% salary hike. In Finland, I will be leading the cloud computing unit of my new company. We cannot wait to start our new life in Finland. We are all.
Well, this was all about AWS services. If you like this video, then please do give it a thumbs up and do share it with your friends. And if you have any questions related to this video, then please feel free to ask away in the comment section. Our team will reach out to you as soon as possible. Thank you and keep learning.
Staying ahead in your career requires continuous learning and upskilling. Whether you're a student aiming to learn today's top skills or a working professional looking to advance your career, we've got you covered. Explore our impressive catalog of certification programs in cutting-edge domains, including data science, cloud computing, cybersecurity, AI, machine learning, or digital marketing. Designed in collaboration with leading universities and top corporations, and delivered by industry experts, choose any of our programs and set yourself on the path to career success. Click the link in the description to know more.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.